This is an elective paper, Human Resource Management of 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University, and the subject is Industrial Relations and Labor Legislation. Unit 1, Industrial Relations and Trade Union. In this session, we shall study about the syllabus of this subject. Introduction to the subject. The learning objectives are to understand the idea of industrial relation functions, to provide a framework for analysis of industrial relations problem, to study the mechanism of settlement through the machineries provided by the legislations. After studying this session, students will be able to understand the syllabus of this subject, Industrial Relations and Labor Legislation. We have 5 units in this subject. Unit 1, Industrial Relations and Trade Unions. Unit 2, Industrial Disputes. Unit 3, Collective Bargaining and Workers' Participation in Management. Unit 4, Discipline and Grievance. Unit 5, Employee Welfare and Social Security. In Unit 1, we shall study about industrial relations and trade unions. Industrial relations, meaning and definition of industrial relations, characteristics of industrial relations in India, objectives of industrial relations, 3 actors of industrial relations, that is employers, employee, that is worker, and government, approaches to industrial relations, causes of poor industrial relations, measures for improving industrial relations, conditions for congenial industrial relations. The second part of Unit 1 consists of trade unions, meaning and definition of trade union, characteristics, objectives of trade union, why workers join trade unions, functions of trade unions, type or structure of trade unions, historical evolution of trade union, how trade union started in India, problems and shortcomings of trade unions in India, measures for strengthening trade unions. Then objectives of Indian trade unions, mainly we shall study about these 5 types: AITUC, INTUC, BMS, UTUC and CITU. When did it begin? What are its objectives? Which are the political parties connected with these unions? And finally, case study related to industrial relations and trade unions. This is Unit 2, Industrial Disputes, meaning and definition, forms of industrial disputes, strikes, lockouts, Gherao, picketing, types of strikes, causes of industrial disputes, prevention of industrial disputes, labor welfare officer with functions, model standing orders, code of industrial discipline. So in Unit 2, we also have to study the grievance procedure, what is collective bargaining, what are works committee, joint management councils, suggestion scheme, tripartite and bipartite bodies, objectives, settlement of industrial disputes like investigation, mediation, conciliation, voluntary arbitration, compulsory arbitration or adjudication, differences between arbitration and adjudication, and then case study. In Unit 3, again we have 2 parts. One is collective bargaining and workers' participation in management. Meaning and definition of collective bargaining. What are the characteristics of collective bargaining? Objectives, importance or significance, the process of collective bargaining, types of collective bargaining and their functions. Essential conditions for the success of collective bargaining. And the next part is workers' participation in management, meaning and definition and objective, forms of workers' participation in management, merits and demerits of workers' participation in management, essential conditions for successful working of workers' participation in management. Again, we have quality circle, meaning, objectives, organizational structure, benefits and limitations of quality circles, quality of work life, meaning, major issues in quality of work life, improving quality of work life, and case studies connected with this. In Unit 4, we shall study about discipline and grievance. Meaning of discipline, objectives of discipline, types of discipline, meaning of indiscipline and causes of indiscipline, disciplinary procedure, essential of a good disciplinary system or the principles of industrial discipline. Unit 4 continued part, meaning of red hot stove rule and its features. Code of discipline with meaning and its principles. Next is about employee grievances. Grievances are the problems or the issues of the employee. So, meaning of employee grievance, causes of grievances, understanding employee grievances, grievance procedure or prerequisites, and the case study connected with employee grievances. In Unit 5, this is the last unit, we shall study about employee welfare and social security. Meaning of employee welfare, objectives or benefits of employee welfare, and types of welfare services. The second part is social security, meaning of social security, and types of social security. The Workmen's Compensation Act 1923, the Employees State Insurance Act 1948, Employees Provident Funds and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952, Maternity Benefit Act 1961 with coverage and benefits. So these are some of the social security measures for the employees. These are the references